What mattress is best for platform bed? If you're considering a platform bed and wondering which mattress will provide the best sleeping experience, you're in the right place. Let's break down the key factors to help you make an informed decision. First, it's important to understand that platform beds offer a solid or slatted foundation, which can support your mattress without the need for a box spring. This setup is often less cumbersome, more aesthetically pleasing, and can be less expensive. When choosing a mattress for a platform bed, several factors come into play. Here are some of the most important ones. Mattress height. Since platform beds can sit low to the ground, a thicker, taller mattress can be more convenient. Look for mattresses with a higher profile to make it easier to get in and out of bed. For example, the NOLA Evolution has a thick 15-inch profile that works well on a platform base. Firmness level. Platform beds can add a bit of firmness to your mattress due to their solid or slatted foundation. Unless you prefer a very firm sleep surface, a soft to medium firm mattress is usually the best choice. The Helix Midnight, for instance, offers a medium firm feel that works well for both side and back sleepers. Edge support. Since you won't have a box spring to support the edges of your mattress, strong edge support is crucial. Hybrid mattresses like the Wink bed, with their zoned coils and plush pillow top, provide excellent edge support, making them a great option for platform beds. Texture of the lower cover. To prevent the mattress from slipping on the platform, a textured, slip-resistant bottom cover is essential. The Nectar mattress, for example, has a shift-resistant lower cover that keeps the mattress in place on the platform foundation. Mattress type. Several types of mattresses are well suited for platform beds. Foam mattresses. These offer excellent motion isolation, which is great for couples. However, they can retain heat, so ensure your platform bed has slats for airflow. The Bear Original is a good example of a foam mattress that works well on a platform bed. Hybrid mattresses. These combine the support of coils with the comfort of foam, providing a balanced feel and strong edge support. The Wink bed and Helix Midnight are excellent hybrid options for platform beds. Latex mattresses. These are eco-friendly and naturally responsive, making them a good match for platform beds. The Birch Natural mattress, with its sustainably harvested latex and coil system, is a great example. Platform bed compatibility. Different mattresses have specific requirements for the slats on your platform bed. For instance, the Helix Midnight and NOLA Evolution recommend that the slats be no more than 5 inches apart to ensure proper support and to avoid voiding the warranty. In summary, the best mattress for a platform bed depends on your sleep style, body weight, and personal preferences. Consider a mattress with a high profile, soft to medium firmness, reliable edge support, and a textured lower cover. Whether you opt for a foam, hybrid, or latex mattress, make sure it is compatible with your platform bed's slat spacing to ensure the best sleeping experience.